If this video helps you, please remember to like, subscribe, click the bell and leave a comment down below. Welcome, my name is Joe, and in this video we're going to look at creating YouTube playlists. Just before we start, this video is part of a small series, so if you want to start from the beginning, please have a look in the description below and I'll leave a link right there. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure you're logged in and go over to your channel. On your channel, click playlists. And as you can see at the moment, we have no playlists. So to create a playlist, click Customize Channel. And now you'll see the liked videos, which is a default playlist that YouTube makes for you, but it's also set to private. You see the little locked button there. So only you and any other people that have access to your channel as a privileged user will see this. So all of your subscribers, followers, and people visiting will not see this particular playlist. To create a new playlist, come up to the new playlist button and then add in a title. You have the option to set it as public, unlisted or private. In most cases you would want public. Private means that nobody will see it, and unlisted means that people can see it but they have to have the link to be able to get to it, so it kind of makes it useless unless you've got a specific use for it. So I'm going to leave mine as public and click create. So that will take us over to this screen, and here you've got your title, which you can edit at any point you want to. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Gives you a quick summary of how many videos there are and when it was last updated. Again, the public setting, which you can change at any point. So as we come down, we'll click the edit button here to go into the description, and as I haven't added a description yet, I'll add one very quickly. And then click the save. The better description you put here, the more likely the playlist is to appear in search. So make sure that you use all your keywords correctly and try to make sure that the description is as full as possible, but without sounding too spammy. As you can see, there are absolutely no videos in this playlist at the moment, so we can add them next. But just before we do, there's a little kind of ... here that's kind of hidden over the extension that I've got, but ignore the extension, and there's a little ... If you click onto that, then you can actually access some additional settings. So if you want to collaborate, or if you want to go into the playlist settings, if I show you this quickly, you can allow embedding and have options so your new videos that you add will automatically go to the top of the playlist rather than the bottom. By default they'll be added to the bottom of the playlist. In some cases you may not want that. You can also again click onto advanced settings down here, and then you get this box, and there's a couple of ways to get to this, but ultimately if you do it this way then you get to see all of the different options. So again, you can set your manual ordering or privacy settings like we've seen before. You can add rules, so certain videos on your channel will get added, and then your collaboration options. Okay, so I'm going to leave all these as default, but if you wanted to, you now know how to get to all of the different settings within the playlist. Okay, so if you either save or cancel that, you now come to this screen. Because we clicked on the little dots, that's why it's moved us over to this kind of screen that looks a little bit different from before. But as you can see, we're in the edit mode of the playlist now, and you can click on the add videos. And if you're not sure how I got there, it looks like this at the moment. And then if you click on the little dots and go to playlist settings, advanced settings, and you can cancel that and you're there. So you can now add videos. So once you're on this screen, you can just click add videos, and then you've got the option to search all of YouTube videos, enter in a specific YouTube URL, or select your videos. And generally speaking, I'm thinking you'll probably want to add your own videos to the playlist. So I've only got one live video, so I can only add this one. But if I add video here, just to show you, then it will show up here. So now our only playlist within the thing is this one here, and if we click onto this, then it will start playing the video for us. So if we head back to the channel very quickly, you'll now see when you click into playlists, let's get rid of that, you've now got the playlist in here. Now you've got the playlist here, you can click customize channel, and then you will see it in this list as well. So you can actually get to it a little bit easier now. And it doesn't have this little icon by it, which means that it's live. Remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.